National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Randolph County in northeastern West Virginia, northeastern Pocahontas County in northeastern West Virginia, northeastern Webster County in northeastern West Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Holly River State Park, or 17 miles northeast of Webster Springs, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mill Creek, Monterville, Chi Bridge, Mingo, Bartow, Huttonsville, Durbin, Valley Head, Pickens, and Winetta.